oleh tu kinsi nga hian am veng mong lama leit la niam kum engam bazat atanga kum tin maya taniam reng mai area hi National Disaster Management Authority lama mithiam rual ten kan enna nimin lama hun thar venga kan en to kan thria tangin hun thar veng khu aizol ko pui mai dilo Mizoram tan po state pona kan in kalpona kong om chuna ni wagina pui mo ema ni kum lama te kum li kum nga kalta lama te rampum boya kan boina ni chumi ti re tum chuan kan minister kan chief minister zawm tak puzarom thangan ma ala ka karma sa lokha New Delhi National Disaster Management Authority te mo in Mizoram ron en chiang vat turin angena ni thum lek nuwa expert team a team puitling anon chok chho hi Mizoram sarkar le Mizoram puitan polo tak zetani nimin lama hun thar veng kan en nuwa am veng kan en vele ni a hei helai kan omna lai po hi affected area ti mai na ani a hei fit di velin he kong pui po hi ama helai mol hiron to sa chuan helai tin helai building po hi an rausana tuna a floor khu kong pui tanga fit ni vela sanga di line tu la chuan kong pui po ni ama ai na niam le zuala kong pui tanga fit thum fit lin aniam ta helai area hian in zani som nga vel helai area hian akhoya atichia tuarna sa zual big som kwa paru an oma in rausan le in bota makte tam taka oma kong om zui talo abo ringot kong footpath te po om nual ni tuna hian puzarom thanga sor khar hian hilai hi amin zel lo nan le atlak niam zel lo nan nasa taka malak atuma tuna hian National Disaster Management Authority hetiang lama India rama thunei tu sangber hote an local hi kan lom tak zeta aminga bial tu MLA kan yang point helaya kan mutan kan engene mut mo thar mo kan bial chuan kan nei am veng lei tlathiam mun athunei tu sangina an ron ena ati dan turte rotnate an han siam tur hi kan lom ema pathian om puina in helai leimin tuar lei tlathiam turten hadamna an nei ngei po hi ka be se ya chu ka tong trai na ni
hun masalama khan tai allo boi pui to thina
ne hun masalama sang as ko som ko pariat vela tanga he lei tlathiam hi omania kum som kalta chung khan mumal taka boi puina a om lo hi poi khop maya chu wang chuan helai area kan bialte kan han vuya kan ril runat na em po hi a omin ka ria tuna hian mumal zok zirchian na nen malakna a om don ta ni ina langa alom oma he khotlang mi puite pon lom in ka ria tin heim kan mayor sa om tak po hi aizol mayor sa om tak po hi abial ve thoni la ya ani po hen soi tu tam tak nei karinga ke aya a chin chuaka a thezok le lo bial phasa jok tu ni wagin kan helai kan problem le kan turna hi chiang jok po da sei theo me
Minister who have visited this vulnerable areas which is subsiding for last 10-15 years. The main problem is the drainage problem. See, the drainage is blocked at so many places and the water which is being obstructed by the garbage and other materials, it is percolating to the grounds, and the grounds is a very hygroscopic. The water is being saturated by the ground and resulting the movement downward movements, and showing somewhere the bulgings and the cracks in the buildings and subsidence along the road. So from NDAB side, we are trying our level best to improve to highlight the problems particularly related to the drainage systems, and the area is highly or densely populated, and multi-story houses are there, and their foundations are not so deep as per the requirement of the ground condition. So we will try our level best. Minister Saab has already shown so many areas and we'll report to the NDMA accordingly. And we hope in future the drainage system will be improved, and damaged houses will be repaired with the required treatment by way of grouting or by way of improving the drainage systems. So this is all about this eastern hill of this Aizawl town. My colleague Dr. Kanungo will say something.
Yeah, I will give some sort of advice to the local people based on my observation on the construction practices they have followed. Actually, this sort of soil, there is a thick overburden soil cover. This doesn't allow, the geotechnical characteristic of this soil doesn't allow more than G plus 2-story building, ground plus 2-story building. But here I could see that 8, 10-story, 5-story buildings are there. The phenomena is when we put much more load than the soil can carry, what happens, the soil will be compressed, and when it will get an open face, it will bulge out. So that is happening. You have water load. During heavy rainfall, you have lot of water, the drainage is not proper, and also there is dead loads through multi-story buildings. So all these problems accumulate and the area is sinking. So it is a advice to the local people, don't construct any more story on your building. Try to keep the drainage clean. Don't throw your garbage or any waste to the drainage, so that the drainage is open all the time. So all the water will be channelized to the river. It should not go into the soil, into the ground. So that is from my side. Thank you.